Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I want to show you how to make Unreal's default third-person character a first-person character. So that way we can have the body and have the first-person view. So let's see how we can do this thing. First, I created a new project here and select third-person template, but I cannot do this right now because it takes too long. But if you have a new blank project, you can come here and select add and then select this, add feature or content pack, and select third person. That easy. So we have this third person folder, click on it, go to blueprints, and then select blueprint class, this. Okay, so now we have our third person characters blueprint. What I'm going to do now is to drag and drop the camera to mesh and delete the camera boom. Next, we are going to click on follow camera and click on this and type for head. So that way we attach the camera to head. So if the head moves, the camera also moves. Next step, we are going to zero the location rotation. So it comes where it should be. Click on this. Oops. On the camera. Come on, dude. Okay, so we can now rotate. It's upside down. Roll it. See if it's correct. Okay, it seems to be correct. Let's see. No, it's upside down. So let's rotate it. Now it should be okay. Yes. So we have this now and we can see our hands, but I cannot move my mouse in any ways. And this is not what we want. We want to move our mouse freely, and we need to fix this issue. So let's go back to our blueprint. So what's causing this problem and how to solve it? So how to solve this thing is to come here in details and here select the follow camera to fix this issue, type rotation, and here select use pawn control and make it true. So we can move our camera easily as we want. But there's still an issue that you can see. You can see inside of our character. So how can we fix this? It's very easy. We are going to select the camera and move it a little bit forward and up like this. So now, as you can see, we still have an issue, but we are so close to finish this. So the problem is that we can do this thing, you know, we can rotate, and we should not be able to do this. How we can limit this? So we are going to come here and select BB third person character, and here type rotation. You look for use controller rotation. Yeah, set this to true and come here and test it again. So we can no longer rotate our camera to see ourselves, which is not something like we want. So that was it. If you want to see other videos to improve this experience, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.